Do you love the luxury look of McGee Co and Pottery Barn but hate the designer price tags? I'm Sonja and today I'm showing you easy high-end dollar store dupes anyone can make. We are flipping items from dollar store into high-end decor, including a $448 art dupe for under $5. If you love elevating your home on a budget, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Our first dupe is inspired by beautiful McGee Co window scene framed art piece that retails for $448. I found this frame at Dollarama for only $4.25. The detailing is so very similar to the high-end version. Most high-end decor brands mark up their items 300% to 500% just for the brand name. By making this McGee Co dupe, we aren't just saving money, we're essentially paying ourselves about $400 an hour in savings. First, I removed everything from the frame, including the mirror. To get that antique gold look, I'm using Dixie Belle Antique Gold Gilding Wax. On the smoother parts of the frame, you really had to dab it on rather than swipe, otherwise the wax doesn't adhere nicely. If you want it even easier, you could spray paint it first, but dabbing does the trick. It went on beautifully over the dotted sections and the sides. A little fun fact for you. Did you know the gilding wax was originally created for restoring antique gold leaf on picture frames in Europe? We're literally using the same professional secrets to make our $4 frame look like 18th century museum piece. To add dimension, I went back in with Dixie Belle bronze gilding wax, just dabbing it in random sections to create depth. I'm curious, are you a gold or a bronze person? Let me know in the comments which metallic finish you prefer for your home decor. For the art, I designed a print myself on Canva. You can get this as a free download on my blog. Link is in the description. I used the frame's original insert as a guide, popped it backing on, and look at that. It looks so similar to the $448 version, cost under $5, and I can switch the art every season. And don't forget, I spent the time designing this print, so you don't have to. It's a totally free gift to you on my blog. If you download it, tag me on an Instagram. I'd love to see it in your home. Next up is an antique brass topper holder dupe. The McGee Co version is $18, but I found this glass holder at Dollarama for under $4. It's taller than the Dollar Tree ones, which I love. Since gilding wax doesn't stick well to bare glass, I'm starting with a base coat of metallic gold spray paint. Once dry, I applied the antique gold gilding wax on top. This gave it that extra antique oomph and a realistic metal texture. If you're loving how easy it is to save $15 on a candle holder, you'll love the rest of my Look for Less series. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next budget flip. It's such an easy way to get an elevated look for your mantle or table setting. Saw the seeded glass hurricane at Crate & Barrel for $95 and wanted to recreate it using a large dollar store vase. I've done frosting with Mod Podge before, but for this seeded texture, I tried a new technique, mixing Epsom salt directly onto the Mod Podge. As we know, Epsom salt is actually magnesium sulfate. It usually is used for sore muscles, but in the DIY world, it's a secret weapon for creating frosted or crystallized textures because of its unique crystal shape. I dabbed the mixture onto the bottom half of the vase. Brushing didn't work, so dabbing is a key here. It took about 2.5 hours to dry. I'll be honest, I'm not overly thrilled with the result, but I wanted to show you the process in case you want to try it, perhaps with the regular table salt for a finer texture. Finally, let's make a pillow. Pottery Barn charges around $74 for their pillows, but I found this blue and white pattern kitchen towel at Dollarama for $1.50. I'm using a no-sew method that prevents the gaping at the bottom. Fold both ends on the towel into the middle so they overlap slightly. This creates a pocket. Make sure you are folding it so the pretty side is on the inside. I glue the sides shut, leaving the middle overlap open. Once the glue is dry, invert the pillow so the seams are hidden inside. Add your insert through the middle flap and you have a high-end lumber pillow for the price of a towel. We saved over $500 today. Which project are you going to try first this weekend? Tell me in the comments and I'll be down there replying to as many as I can. It just goes to show you don't need a designer budget to have a designer home. From a $448 art dupe to a $1.50 pillow, these high-end dollar store dupes prove that anyone can achieve this look for less. Which of these was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to grab your free art print from the link in the description. If you enjoy these flips, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching DIYs with Sonja, and I'll see you in the next one.